Hi little ducks! Tonight we're going to read If Your Dreams Take Off and Fly by John Butler. When the night is very dark and the moon is shining high, let your dreams take to the skies like a dancing butterfly. You will travel to a place where koalas you will see, and kangaroos and platypuses running wild and free. Then you'll leave them all behind as you flutter to the sky, looking for adventure, my little butterfly. Out across the oceans, watching whales as you pass by, with all the world beneath you, your dreams go flying high. Then floating over icebergs, where the icy cold winds blow, you'll see penguins as they huddle, finding shelter in the snow. And when you reach the desert, where warm winds blow the sand, there'll be a baby camel trotting out across the land. Over grasslands and full rivers, you'll be floating in your dream, while a family of hippos will be playing by a stream. Drifting over forests as swallows swoop so fast, a squirrel and a dormouse will watch as you glide past. Then flitting one last time in the yellow setting sun, you'll hear the sound of songbirds as their lullaby is sung. You will see so many things, and you will realize why, like you, the world is precious, my little butterfly. Our world is full of wonder, and your journey's just begun. All you see around you is there for everyone. And now it's time to sleep, but remember, if you try, anything can happen if your dreams take off and fly. Good night, little ducks. Let's read again soon.